Hey, what's going on? It's Matt from Forever Forex. And if you're looking for the best Forex trading strategy, I want to share with you a simple strategy I've been trading with for the past few weeks now. I just had another great end of the week, about 88% win rate. It's a really simple buy sell indicator that works on the 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1-minute time frame. So it's really designed for scalping strategies. It's not buy and hold, it's not swing trading. It's really getting out, taking your profits, and getting out of the market. So you get in, you get out. So I want to scan some pairs with you, show you some trades that I took this week, actually this morning, and really just show you why I think it's the best Forex trading strategy out there right now in the market. I think number one, it's super simple. It's, as you can see, it's up on the chart. It's very visually appealing. It gives you the exact time to enter the trade. And I talk with my students and our group, our Facebook group, just to go for 20 pips. Now, a lot of these trades, I'll show you some that are running over 100 pips on the 5-minute time frame. That's actually my favorite time frame with this strategy. So I'm going to show you every pair here on the 5-minute. It works on MT4. So anything your broker will allow you to trade, whether it's Forex, crypto, indices, gold, oil, doesn't matter. It works on everything that MT4 does. So with that being said, let me just show you why I think it's the best Forex trading strategy on the market right now. Super simple. And if you like what you see, if you think it'd be a good fit to help you, whether you're a brand new trader or you're just struggling with consistency, I'll leave a link in the description. You can go grab a copy for yourself and just start trading with it next week. So this green box is just a session indicator. You can Google it, find it anywhere. But what it represents is 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time to 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So it's the New York session, okay? All I'm looking for, this is UCAD 5-minute. I'm just looking for this push down and the flip. This is your first entry. Boom, right here. You get in, you put your stop down here, and you can take 20 pips. Now, this was a bigger stop than usual. Had a huge push up. So you can definitely wait for the pullback into the zone. You could see it touch the zone, respected it very nicely. You would have had a 16, maybe 10 to 20 pip stop, going for 20 pips. But you could see it ran up 75 pips. So you can easily let some of these trades run. And when it just starts to come back down and loses that momentum, take that breath of fresh air, just get out, right? Take your profits and be done. The diamonds are an optimal entry point. They are a little bit late, in my opinion. Some of them are excellent. Some of them help you weed out some of the garbage trades. But like something like this where it just shot up, I wouldn't take it this high. It's a 77 pip stop. Skip that trade, move on to the next one. That's UCAD. Let's check out GJ. Probably, I think, a lot of people's favorite pairs. But you can see this push down, flipped your buy right here. Went up 118 pips. Easy. You could easily grab 20 pips out of this trade. And you can see the optimal entry fired here. Had a nice little pullback during my time frame into that optimal entry zone. I took the trade. Easy 20 pips. I mean, again, I could have let it run for over 100 pips. On the 5-minute time frame, which is incredible. That's a 5-to-1 if you're putting about a 20 pip stop. This trade right here, you could take the bounces. I don't. But you can. You could see you could have got a nice little trade there. That was GU. GA was an easy one. It was picture perfect. It doesn't get any better than that. You get the first entry, the optimal entry, the pullback, literally respected the zone perfectly and shot up 154 pips. It's pretty darn accurate. Like I said, this week I had an 88% win rate. Like I said, I'm going for 20 pips. That's a win. I only had 2 losses. You could see this one, EU. First sell entry was right here. I got in. It pulled back a little bit, but I had my stop over here. About a 15 pip stop and then pushed down nicely. Hit my take profit. And then EJ, never converted, but you could have had a nice bounce. But again, I don't take the bounce trades. I wait for the flip. right? And it's really that simple. If I scan a few other pairs, see gold real quick, you have to zoom out because it just was so far back. But you can see how easily this does. You got the buy there, goes up, got the sell, comes down. It's very easy to scout this market. And this is why I think it's one of the best trading strategies out there. My only recommendation would be avoiding pairs that don't move very far. Some of the Swiss pairs don't really do that much. But just focus on the heavy movers. Look at pound New Zealand. Just crushed it today. You could have got in like right in here somewhere. Went up 156 pips. That's huge. The trade before that, look at that. Optimal entry, boom, 93 pips. The trade before that, optimal entry. So the beauty about the optimal entry is, check this out. You can see these are all winners, but let's zoom in right here because you're going to have two losers when it consolidates, right? So in a consolidating ranging market where these are flipping back and forth, you're going to get chopped out. Now the stops are small, right? You're getting in like there. You got a 15 pip stop is what it is. You buy here. I mean, it went 12 pips. You could have taken 12 pips. But let's say you got an 8 pip stop. After two losses like that, I would just stop trading. This is also, keep in mind, before the London. Or no, wait, when is this? This is... London is right there. See the London breakout? That's the trade you want. That's when the London session opens. So this is right before the London. So it's just kind of getting choppy until you get that London breakout. Boom, optimal entry. So unless you're trading, make sure you're trading this during either overlapping time frames, London or New York session. Occasionally some Asian sessions and some of the Australian sessions around 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time work well, but I just found this works really well in both the London and New York session when the price is really moving. Let's just take a look at Bitcoin. I always like to look at it. I don't really trade it. You can see it's really choppy right now. It doesn't really know where to go, but there's still some good trades there. I mean, that just crushed up. Didn't go there anywhere there, went up there. Again, it's kind of choppy right here. But it does work. You can see some good trades here. Just scalping Bitcoin. You would have taken some couple losses here. But overall, if you did a 2-to-1 on Bitcoin, you'd be good. If you guys have any questions with it, like I said, I think it's pretty straightforward. I think it's super simple. Any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll also drop a link to my Facebook group. So if you want to come over there, we post our live trades. There's other traders posting their results. So if you have any questions, hit me up, and have a great weekend. Grab a copy of this for yourself. Trade with it on the next trade day. None of these signals repaint, so it's easy to backtest and see if it's a good fit. Cool. Take care, guys. Bye.